Dropship.io versus Tradelle, which is better? If you're looking for the best dropshipping product research tool, you've likely come across Dropship.io and Tradelle. But which one is the better choice for your business? Let's break it down. Dropship.io is designed for serious dropshippers who want in-depth market analysis. It offers real-time product tracking, AI-driven product discovery, and supplier insights. You can analyze competitor stores, track winning products, and filter through niche-specific data. Dropship.io integrates seamlessly with Shopify, making it easy to import products and scale your store efficiently. The platform also provides sales estimates, ad spy tools, and trend analysis, helping users stay ahead of market shifts. Tradelle, on the other hand, is a newer player in the space, but brings automation and AI to the forefront. It's focused on simplifying product research with an intuitive interface that curates winning products daily. It also features supplier verification, profit margin analysis, and a built-in ad intelligence tool that scans Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram for trending products. Tradelle's AI-driven approach is ideal for beginners who want an easy-to-use tool without manually digging through data. So, which one is better? If you're a beginner looking for simplicity and automation, Tradelle might be the better option. It takes the guesswork out of finding trending products. However, if you're a serious dropshipper who wants full control over research, deeper analytics, and store tracking, Dropship.io is the stronger tool. Final verdict: if you're just getting started and need a hands-off approach, go with Tradelle. If you want advanced research capabilities and long-term scaling potential, Dropship.io is the way to go. Choose the tool that fits your business model and experience level.